Hey, what's up? Janko here. Just a quick video of something that I thought might be of interest for other developers out there as well. I want to show you how I currently use AI-based IDEs, in that case Windsurf, to get to a better interaction between the AI developer and the human developer, and how I can also learn something while doing so. 4 takeaways: ask for a game plan, ask for not destroying your code base, ask to persist that game plan that you came up with, also ask it questions, try to learn from it, and try to persist that learning in a markdown file. And the first hack and my first takeaway here is ask it what the game plan is. It's great because we can discuss it before the AI actually goes and does something. And the cool thing about that is if you have a game plan that's laid out to you as a human developer, you can actually phrase or form your mental model of what the AI wants to do before actually doing something. So that's the first step in staying in the driver's seat and not just be a passive observer of what the AI does. And my second hack is try not to destroy any code. Add that to the list, because if you don't do that, the AI might skip certain parts that would sometimes destroy working code. So the third takeaway then is to go and persist this game plan that you just came up with. So I tell it, create a little markdown file in a certain directory. You can reference files and directories with the @ symbol and then the file name or the directory name. And I usually also tell it to write it in a way that how you would phrase it if you handed over your requirements and instructions to an actual human developer. It serves as a reference for both the AI and the human, the carbon meat bag. It's really helpful to have a sort of like a design document or a game plan that you can then just reference in your first prompt to say, hey, this is what we want to do. And you reference this game plan that you created together with the @ symbol and the file name. And then you basically are on the same page right from the get-go. The fourth takeaway is after the AI maybe explained some design decision in a bit more detail, you can then go and ask it to also persist that learning in some document. Here it will give me, or now I have a little how-to guide on how to set up my Docker Compose file, my YAML file, all the Docker commands that I need to use. And for example, I always forget this part in particular, like what the Postgres URL needs to be like structure-wise to have the host name in there, the password and the port and all that stuff. Right, and that's about it.